Most welcoming videos are
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
most welcome videos are just people talking about themselves. But here, we are not doing that. We've built a community that actually helps people out. And so on this channel, it's not just going to be about those boring lecture, how to's and what to and what not to do. We're actually going to have fun on this channel. I know your time is tight. So here's the deal. I'm committing to two things. First, every Friday, I'm dropping a new video which solves an actual problem. No 10 minutes intro, just problem solving. Second, we're keeping it social. This isn't a lecture, it's a hub. So this is what I will do. I'll spend time in the comment section to pick up your ideas, your suggestions, your feedback. Then we would come up with new content based on that. Now, if that sounds like a fair trade, this is what I want you to do. Click on that subscribe button down there and hit the like button. See you in the next video.